Here's a story
about fire safety
and some tips that can save your life. So listen up, cause we have much to tell you. And we teamed up and we became the safety bunch. The safety bunch. The safety bunch.
And that's how we
All became the safety bunch.
Hi guys, I'm here today to talk to you about grilling safety. It's that time of year. It is grilling season, and grilling is a great activity to do with your family and friends. Today, we're going to talk about a couple quick tips about grilling safety. The first tip is making sure that your grill is in a safe location. You want to make sure that your grill is away from the house, away from any railings, and out from under awnings. The second thing is you want to make sure that your grill is never left unattended. You want to make sure you pay attention at all times while you're grilling. The next thing is thinking about your kids. If your kids are going to be outside while you're grilling, you want to keep in mind the 3-foot rule. You want to always keep your kids 3 feet away. Well, how do we remember what 3 feet is? Think about a yardstick. 3 feet. They can stay back, but they can still help you. Well, what are they going to do while they're helping you grill outside? Well, I've got a couple tips for you that I do with my own kids. One is to let them get involved. Well, if they can't grill, they can help you by bringing you things. So for example, they can bring you utensils. They can bring me the tools that I use while I'm grilling. They can also bring me plates to put food on as I take it off the grill. And they can also bring me other things like seasonings and napkins and things that I always use while I'm grilling. Now, those are a couple really quick tips. For more great tips on grilling, check out the NFPA fact sheet on grilling safety. We're going to have it attached below this video. Those are a couple great tips to keep safe. I hope you have a great grilling season.
In my cooking space, cause I'm all about being safe in my cooking space. Cause I'm all about being safe in my cooking space. Cause I'm all about being safe in my cooking space. Stuck up in the house again, what you trying to do? Gotta try and cook a meal for my family too. When I'm frying, boiling, grilling, or broiling food, stay up in the kitchen, don't ever leave the room. If you have to leave the room, please cut off the stove. Young children stay awake, it's a kid-free zone. 3 feet around the stove is where you need to be. Turn your handles in to where the kids can't reach. When the weather's warm, we cooking on the grill. Here's some things to keep in mind when we cook a meal. Check the gas tanks for leaks if you use propane. Spray soapy water on the hose to see if there's a drain. If you use charcoal and when the grilling's done, be sure the coals are cool before disposing them. Keep your grills from your home, your deck, and under trees. This can help prevent fire and thermal injuries. We're cooking more and more due to COVID-19. We want to be sure everyone is cooking safely. Cooking is a leading cause of all house fires. Safety Bunch is here to give you tips to save your life. When you're cooking in the kitchen, let's be fire safe. Make sure everything is clear in your cooking space. Keep an eye on what you're cooking is the main thing. You heard it from the Safety Bunch, the fire safety team.